Hello, my name is Rolf Matthews, and I warmly welcome you to ELCO Industry Automation. ELCO is an international company with 2 locations in Germany. The business areas of ELCO range from system integration to the conception, development, production, and sales of automation solutions such as encoders, sensors, cables, interface modules, field bus system products, and even IoT system solutions. Our goal is to deliver not only the best product to the customer, but also exactly the product that he needs. Special solutions are therefore an important part of our company. Thus, our motivation comes from our employees, but also from our customers. On the one hand are ideas of our product managers, development and manufacturing experts. On the other hand, the customer with specific needs and requirements. So both sides perfectly merge together. One of our greatest ambitions is to accompany and support our customers in taking their next step in digitization. We firmly believe that good products can only be created if you develop and combine hardware and software. We call this principle Single Point of Contact, or SPOC for short. You have one contact person for all questions and concerns, whether it is cloud services, app solutions, industrial radio links, or M12 connectors. We at ELCO are always there for you and open to the craziest ideas. Not all companies have realized that they no longer have to focus on the products, but on their customers. Only this way, companies can secure the chance of future competitiveness. Our approach is therefore not to make customers' machines better, but how we make our customers more successful. The technology of today's machines is considered to be largely mature, and in terms of price, a German manufacturer can hardly undercut the Asian competition. ELCO relies on different approaches. For example, preventive maintenance. Machines are networked with a maintenance staff and report if necessary. We call this the Internet of Things in action. If machines fail less often and this advantage can be passed on to the end customer, this is a classic ELCO approach. A Chinese proverb says, "A good customer does not change the business for 3 years. A good business does not change the customer for 3 years." This Chinese wisdom is not only valid in the Far East, but can be easily transferred to the Western world. Neither the product nor the employees are the figurehead of a company, but the customers. Only if you manage to satisfy them, you can have a lasting success. This way of thinking is very deeply rooted in ELCO's DNA. Every single employee has the goal to inspire our customers, not just with products, but with services and a good cooperation. We are your contact as a product supplier, as a service provider, as a problem solver, and a discussion partner on a technical basis.